Hi, I'm Scheila. I stress over how to grow your software company so that you don't have to. Okay, so let's say that you already have an idea, you want to put it into place. How do you start to build a team and get the right allies to support you? I always recommend you start with three key positions. You can name it whatever you want, but this is what the role should look like. First, you should have a CEO person who's usually one of the founders, and this is someone that has the idea, knows the industry really well, has the connections to get the funding or to get the advice that you need. So that's somebody that will really help get strategy down. The second person is obviously the CTO or CPO, so someone very technical who will choose the tech stack, will choose the features, help prioritize everything, and make a lot of decisions regarding the product itself. And the third person is somebody that's going to be leading, generating demand, getting the market insights, and give intel to help these two previous people make the decisions. And that's your CMO. So that's going to be somebody very marketing oriented or sales oriented, right? And these people are going to work together. That's your first nucleus that's going to be guiding how things are done. So the second moment is when you're actually building the team. And the best way to do that is leverage your network. So these first people really need to collaborate well. You don't have enough room to head hold someone that's too junior or to learn to collaborate because you have a very, very lean structure. So here you want to talk to people who you've worked with before, people that you know from the industry, people that you have been in your network before. But of course, you can always look at LinkedIn, look at GitHub, Slack Overflow, that kind of stuff. And the third thing that you should consider is maybe at this point, you should be outsourcing part of your engineering. So if you have a really good CEO who's going to be guiding where you want to go, that's a good idea for you to have either staff augmentation or just development outsourcing. Because if you're a proof of concept or MVP stage, you don't want to build a very big company structure to validate things. You don't know yet properly where you're going. You just need something out the door so that people can experiment and play with before you actually move forward. So I hope that makes sense to you. Let me know what positions you think are harder to fill and how you're going about this.